Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my next video lecture that is about the economics importance of the Rosacea family. When we talk about every family of plant, so then they have some economics importance, some medicinal importance, some other importance. Understand? So here we discuss only the importance of the Rosaceae family plant. The plant belonging to the Rosaceae family had some character. So before watching this video, I have a request, please subscribe my channel and get the latest version of my video. The first important and most used the medicine, mean to say the rose. You know the rose is used for making gulkan and it has a great importance, and otherwise the ark of gulab that is mostly used for curing the eye diseases and also used to remove the monks of your mouth. So it has a great medicine importance, biological importance. The these plants are mostly used in the biological researches, mean to say. For example, if anyone want to become a botanist, so he use various chemical, and chemists mostly use the various chemical. These chemicals are mostly obtained from plant. So these plants belong to the Rosaceae family, has a great biological research importance. They are mostly used in researches project. As you know, the wood of any plant is for making the stick. So the when we talk about rose, the rose sticks and the stem is mostly straight and erect. So these are good for walking stick. So the old people mostly use the stick of the rose plants. Petal of flowers belong to this family, also used for making gulkan as I discussed above. So they have a great ornamental purposes, mean to see the beauty purposes. The petals are so cute and beautiful, attractive. So the artificially they are used for making the beauty of their houses. So the flower belonging to this plant has a great importance. For example, the rose is so beautiful and attractive. For example, in Valentine Day and other cultural and tradition days, these flowers are used as a gift for purposes, and people bought their flowers, and the trader of these flowers mostly makes their money. As you know that in the time of these days, cultural days, for the beautiful bangles of the flowers, people mostly bought them, and they sold their money, traders mostly, and sold their money. So they have a great economical importance. So they have some other beauty purposes. So they also use as a food. For example, badam, the plant belonging to this family, Rosaceae family, has some food purposes also used for making food. For example, apple, badam, these are great importance. So they play important for overcome the demand of the food in any country. So they are widely distributed all over the world. So these are the basic importance of this Rosaceae family. So here are some common example: Phronus domestica, Asuna lucha, and Phronus communis. For example, they are widely distributed all over the world. They are mostly used the food. So the plant belonging to the Rosaceae family also used the food and food all over the world. So, for example, Phronus domestica, as you know, that are known as aluja. So these are Phronus communis apple. So they have some botanical name. This is a proper systematics. For example, on the basis of these names, we can identify the plant and these apples. For example, apples are common for all over the world. So on the basis of this Phronus communis, for example, it is easily to identify. For example, every country and every region has its own use the food name of the foods in own language. So this is the proper systematics name that are commonly used all over the world. So the Carolus Linnaeus were the first scientists who gave the proper systematic names of every plant. So on the basis of these names, botanists can classify the plant, it classify the species. First, the first name also known as a genus, and the second name also known as a specific epithet. So on the basis of these names, we can identify identification of any plant, any food can be possible. For example, the Phronus persica, adu, the commonly we use in our language adu, that also used all over the world as a fruit. So the badam that is commonly used all over the world. So that such a botanical name is Faunus amaryllis. A rose indica, that a rose flower and known as gulab. Understand the common language. So it is a great importance all over the in the world in any region. So it's common in gulab, but its proper systematic name is rose indica, and this has a great importance in every culture, traditions, values, and so this plant belonging to this family has a great economical importance because they overcome the demand of food all over the world. They overcome the economical needs of the people all over the world. They also have industry importance. They also have domestic importance because they make houses so pure and attractive. So in this video we discuss about the importance of the Rosaceae family, and the second is about a common example of the Rosaceae family. So in this picture you can easily identify that these fruit are used in a common all over the world. So if you have any query, any question, you may ask in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel and get the latest video of my version of my video. So Allah Hafiz.